ready to make your kitchen smarter, easier, and way more enjoyable. These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to simplify cooking, boost comfort, and bring a modern touch to your daily routine. From prepping meals to keeping things tidy, they'll turn everyday tasks into effortless wins. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. No more fishing eggshells out of your batter. This handy 3-in-1 tool cracks eggs cleanly, separates yolks from whites, and keeps drips off your counter. It fits almost any bowl and grips securely, so you can work with both hands free. The raised edge makes cracking smooth and simple every time. When you're done, just rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. Corn on the cob is great, until you try cutting it with a knife. This clever tool strips kernels off in seconds and collects them neatly inside a clear container. No runaway kernels, no sticky splatters. Just twist, and you've got fresh corn ready for salads, soups, or side dishes. When you're done, pop it in the dishwasher, and it's clean in no time. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This rapid egg cooker makes hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or even Japanese-style onsen eggs in minutes. No pots of boiling water, no guesswork. Just press one button and let it do the work. An automatic shutoff and alarm mean your eggs are never overcooked. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even travel. Cooking for a crowd doesn't have to mean juggling a dozen pans. This electric skillet gives you a roomy 12-inch surface and deep walls so you can whip up chili, casseroles, or stir-fry with ease. The cast aluminum base spreads heat evenly, so every bite comes out just right. You can dial in the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for frying, simmering, or sautéing. And when you're done, the glass lid and non-stick coating make cleanup a breeze. Perfect patties every time. This 3-in-1 burger press shapes sliders, classic patties, and even stuffed burgers filled with your favorite toppings. Non-stick surfaces and a removable base make it easy to press, lift, and cook without the mess. Just load, press, stuff, and seal. It's that simple. Durable, dishwasher safe, and fun to use. It's the ultimate tool for burger nights and backyard BBQs. Restaurant-quality meals right in your kitchen. This folding Sous Vide cooker heats water with precision, keeping food perfectly tender and juicy every time. A powerful pump circulates evenly, while the big display and app control let you set and monitor without hovering over the pot. Its clever folding design saves space and protects electronics from steam. Safe, compact, and easy to use, it turns everyday cooking into gourmet dining. No more soggy counters after doing the dishes. This silicone faucet mat catches every drip and channels it straight back into the sink. With a smart slope design, water drains quickly. No puddles, no stains. It doubles as a handy spot for your sponge, dish soap, or brush, keeping everything tidy and within reach. Soft, durable, and easy to clean. It's the simple upgrade that makes your kitchen instantly neater. Brewing coffee just got smarter. This electronic espresso scale measures down to 0.1 grams, helping you perfect every shot with pinpoint accuracy. The built-in timer and water flow rate function. Keep your pours consistent so you can brew like a pro. A waterproof surface and rechargeable battery make it durable and easy to use day after day. Sleek, compact, and precise. It's the secret tool behind cafe-quality coffee at home. Struggling with stubborn lids is a thing of the past. This multifunction opener pops bottles, cracks jars, and even lifts pull tabs, all with minimal effort. The ergonomic grip gives you leverage, making it perfect for anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Small and magnetic, it sticks right to your fridge, so it's always within reach. Durable, compact, and easy to use. It's the kitchen helper you'll wonder how you lived without. Tired of messy soap bottles cluttering your sink? This clever 3-in-1 dispenser keeps everything in one neat spot: soap, sponge, and holder. Just press down with one hand, and the perfect amount of soap lands right on your sponge. A 14.5-ounce tank means fewer refills, while the drip tray keeps your counter clean and dry. Compact, sturdy, and BPA-free, it makes dish duty quicker, easier, and way less messy. Hot pots don't have to mean burned tables. This foldable insulation pad opens up to shield your surfaces from heat, then folds flat to save space when not in use. The non-slip design grips firmly, keeping dishes steady while protecting your countertops. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to clean and reuse over and over. Perfect for daily meals or outdoor picnics, it's a smart little tool that makes kitchen life safer and simpler. Breakfast for everyone, all at once. This fold-in-store ceramic griddle gives you 2 cooking zones, so pancakes can sizzle on one side while bacon crisps on the other. With temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's got the power for any meal. The Evergood ceramic non-stick coating means food slides off easily, and cleanup takes seconds. Plus, the drip tray catches grease, and when you're done, it folds to fit in even the smallest kitchen space. Pulled chicken in seconds? Yes, please. This clever shredder twists cooked meat into perfect strands without the mess of forks or knives. The anti-slip base keeps it steady, while the lid spikes push everything neatly toward the center for even shredding. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant material, it's tough enough for chicken, pork, beef, or veggies, and safe for the dishwasher. Stubborn lids don't stand a chance. This clever 6-in-1 opener gives you the leverage you need to pop open jars, bottles, and even ring pull cans without the struggle. The long handle and non-slip rubber grip make it easy for seniors, kids, or anyone with weak hands. 8 different openings fit a wide range of lid sizes, breaking seals and twisting tops in seconds. Slim and lightweight, it slips right into a drawer or hangs within reach for everyday use. Peeling doesn't have to be a chore. This automatic peeler takes the skin off potatoes, apples, and veggies in seconds, all at the push of a button. A non-slip base keeps it steady, while the sharp blade glides smoothly without wasting food. It comes with 2 spare blades tucked neatly in built-in storage, so you're always ready. Safe, fast, and easy. It's the simplest way to prep fresh ingredients without the hassle. One dish is never enough when you're hosting. That's where this triple slow cooker saves the day. With 3 separate pots, each with its own heat control, you can serve dips, sides, and mains all at once. Built-in lid rests and included serving spoons keep things neat and ready for guests. And since the inserts are dishwasher safe, cleanup is just as easy as the cooking. Why wrestle with a clunky manual grinder when one button does it all? This smart spice mill uses sensors to adjust speed and pressure, so every grind comes out perfectly even. Your herbs and spices stay fresh in aroma and texture, thanks to its gentle milling design. Portable and rechargeable via USB, it's ready for the kitchen, a picnic, or even camping. Small, sleek, and mess-free, it's the easiest way to upgrade your cooking routine. Grilling under the stars just got smarter. This compact camping pot rotates automatically, so your BBQ cooks evenly without you standing over it. Powered by simple AA batteries, it's portable enough for any outdoor trip. The tempered glass lid locks in heat while you watch your food spin to perfection at a steady 9 RPM. Lightweight yet durable, it's the effortless way to enjoy Korean BBQ or sizzling favorites wherever adventure takes you. Imagine a robot that chops, stirs, steams, and fries, all while you relax. This all-in-one smart cooking machine takes over the kitchen with 21 built-in functions and a 7-inch touchscreen that guides you step by step. From soups to stir-fries, it handles it all with precise heating, blending, and weighing in one pot. Over 3,000 recipes are ready to try, with new ones updated weekly through Wi-Fi. And when dinner's done, it even cleans itself with a one-touch auto wash. Dinner at the touch of a button? Yes, please. This smart pressure cooker practically thinks for you, with Wi-Fi control and over 500 guided recipes ready to follow step by step. The built-in scale means no guessing. Just toss in ingredients, and it tells you exactly how much liquid to add. 10 functions in one pot let you slow cook, pressure cook, steam, or whip up instant meals with ease. Two dinners at once. That's the magic of this 12-in-1 smart double oven. With a flex door design, you can open just the top for a quick snack or the whole thing to run 2 ovens side by side. Each chamber cooks differently, air fry on the bottom while baking on the top, and Smart Finish makes sure both meals are ready together. A built-in thermometer keeps every dish perfectly cooked. No guesswork. Your kitchen just became a cafe. This luxe coffee maker does it all: espresso, drip, and even cold brew without the guesswork. The built-in grinder gives you fresh grounds every time, while the Smart Scale measures the perfect dose for your drink. With a hands-free milk frother, you can whip up silky lattes, cappuccinos, or cold foam in seconds. Freshness locked in with just one press. This electric mason jar sealer removes air in seconds, keeping food crisp, flavorful, and lasting longer. It works with both wide mouth and regular jars, making it perfect for pantry staples, snacks, or even picnic prep. No manual pumping, no bulky machines, just a simple button and you're done. Fresh coffee, fresh spices, ready in seconds. This electric grinder's 300-watt motor and stainless steel blades turn beans, grains, and herbs into fine powder with ease. Just press the button, and you control how coarse or smooth you want it. The clear lid lets you watch the process, while built-in safety features protect against overheating.